Hey everybody, Zach here. Welcome back to the channel. 3 altcoins today up 10%, and they're all 3 altcoins that I own, so why not cover them in this video? All 3 at once. It's Matic, Chainlink, and Vechain, all up 10% today. Great to see. We're going to talk about all 3 of those. Before we get there, though, the big winner of the day has been Ethereum. Wow. The entire market right now at $2.2 trillion market cap. Look at Ethereum, $3,809. We cracked the $3,800 mark. Now it's onwards to $39 and onwards to $4,000. And before no time, in my opinion, we'll be setting new all-time highs as the EIP 1559 continues to slice and dice ETH, and the demand continues to skyrocket. Love to see it. Now, we're going to get into all 3 of these altcoins, right? Matic, Chainlink, and Vechain, because they're all 3 altcoins that I love, all 3 in my bag, and I'm going to talk about them because they're all up 10% today. Before we jump into it, if you want to know more about which cryptocurrencies I'm buying, if you want me to take a look at your portfolio, head on over to the Patreon. That link is down in the description. Great time to join up. Beginning of the month here, we've got the $10 level and the $20 level, both at your disposal. All right, so without further ado, let's jump into the charts. Here is Matic right now. Matic is actually pumping as we speak, so the market actually technically just opened back up pretty recently here, so that's why you only see it's up 0.88%. But if you go back earlier today, Matic was down at $1.31. It has skyrocketed today, and you can see why. Look at the amount of volume coming in here for Matic, and it's really easy to correlate Matic with Ethereum. Here's Ethereum, and here's Matic. There you go. You can see they're both moving up. Matic actually has had more volume influx come in than ETH. ETH has been a little bit more steady, but wow, this is a big time movement for Matic, and we're working on a nice green candlestick right here, trying to set a new daily high. The daily high is at $1.49. We're right beneath that at 148.4 right now, and moving up. Love Matic going forward. Polygon, I think, has a lot of room to run. In terms of a price prediction on Matic for the rest of the year, $3.50 I think is a nice price prediction. I think it could move higher than that, closer to $5, but I think for sure, well, as for certain as we can be in this crypto market, right? If all goes well, the market stays green, I think $3.50 is a really good bet on Matic. All right, so let's bounce into Vechain now. Vet, and wow, that is a bullish step up. Look at this today. These are half-hour candlesticks. Look at the volume that came in earlier in this hour right here. If we take this out and go to an hour, watch this green candlestick. Look at that. Big time movement right there. See, look at that volume coming in earlier today. Leveling off a little bit here, but still hovering in at 13.5 cents, 13.6 right now, basically 13.7. Love seeing this from Vechain. In terms of the technicals, we'll take a look at that real quick on Vechain. It is up 62% in the past 3 months. It's up 629% this year, Vechain. So I got in as early as 2.5, 3 cents. I wish I'd have bought more there, but that was my opening position. Got a lot in there at 6 cents too. Back 4 or 5 months ago, we were talking about it on the channel. Vechain at 6 cents is going to be a great steal. It has gone up 100% since then. It's a buy on the 4-hour, buy on the 2-hour, same thing on the 1 hour, 30 minutes. Oh yeah, buy 15, 5, 1. Oh, it actually goes to a sell in the 1 minute. 5 minute though, still a buy. There you go on Vechain. It's up 11% on the week, and really all of those gains coming today. For the most part, it was up in double digits today most of the day. Great to see Vechain, the head of supply chain management. Of course, that is so pivotal right now in our world, and we're seeing a nice reversal here on Vechain, getting back into this range. See these blue candlesticks, or I'm sorry, these blue lines that I drew? That was the range that I wanted it to follow. It is back in that range and heading back upwards, so that is great to see. Look at that big green line right there. Boom. Great to see on Vet, and that had a nice day. Here is Chainlink now. So Link also showing some great movement today. All right, so this is earlier. This is on the 30th. We saw a little bit of movement on the 30th, and it came right back down. Looked like a little market manipulation there. 31st, rose up, came back down a little bit, but still set lower lows. This was still a bullish sign here. And then here today, starting September 1, here we go. Boom. it has been nothing but up and still going higher right now on Link, trying to catch that $30 mark. And it's sitting at $29.75 on the all-time high today. It's $29.70 right here. It looks like, I think, by looking at these patterns here, it's going to break out again. This is super bullish. It's consolidating to the upside a little bit here, and Link looks really, really strong. I think Link should be upwards of $40 to $45 right now. The 52-week high on this one, $53. I think it's just a matter of time until Link breaks out. Now, the yearly gains here, only 164%. Crazy that we say only 164%, but Link has been around for a long time. It's very unique with the Oracle network. It is tied into so many different projects. I think it is a very low risk, mid-reward type of asset. You're probably not going to get the crazy gains you could get with Vechain or Matic on this one and other cryptocurrencies, but it's going to be steady. It's going to be rock steady in your portfolio, so it's definitely one to consider. All right, let's go back up to Matic here, and because I didn't look at the yearly gains here, because these ones are outrageous. So Matic's yearly gains, and I know you can't see this, it's behind my actual box there. Actually, I can move this for you. Here you go. How about this? Boom. There we go. Now you can see what I'm doing. Okay, there. Now you can see exactly where I'm at. Look at that year-to-date gains, 8,324% increase on the year. And we take a look at the Matic technicals. Buy in the 1 day, buy in the 4 hour, buy in the 2 hour. Strong buy in the 1 hour, strong buy in the 30, goes back to a buy in the 15, and in the 5, and in the 1. So there you go. Matic still looking really bullish, getting ready to set new daily highs as well. It's got 1 more cent to rise, and I think with the market just opening, I think we're going to see another bullish run here for all assets. And let's go take a look at Ethereum real quick, because we've got another minute or so in this video, and I just want to show you what Ethereum has done today. Wow, this is big time movement. Look at that, just steady gains today all day long. Here was on the 31st, and this kind of started it last night. And here today, picked up right where we left off, heading into September 1st. Here it is right here. Here's the crossover, and there we go. It's been off to the races today. Look at the amount of volume that came here in this hour, earlier this afternoon, this evening. Wow, big time gains. And remember, the all-time high here, 4,380. So we are essentially $500 off of our all-time high, and I think it's just a matter of time until Ethereum takes over that top spot. So real quick, one more time before we get out of here, this Patreon link is down in the description. Perfect time to join up. I love helping people. I'm ready to take a look at your portfolio for you, and hopefully you got some value out of this video. And thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you in the next one.